Hi, how are you today? I am so glad that you're here. If you're new here, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best, and I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel their very best. If you've been here before, you'll notice I have a new setup. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best, you know that about 2 years ago, we moved into an old farmhouse. It's kind of my dream to fix up an old farmhouse. My husband's dream is to have farm animals, probably not fix up an old farmhouse. But it's been 2 years that the projects in this house, the needs of this house, finally lined up that we could fix up this room enough that I can set up and make videos in this room all the time. Here's what I need you to know though. Still trying to figure out the lighting. The lighting here is not perfect, and I kind of hate it, and I kind of love it. I kind of hate it because it's not what I'm used to. You know, change isn't always easy. I kind of love it because I think the lighting might be a little bit more accurate. It seems to be a little harsh, but at the same time, it also seems to be a little bit more accurate in that I'm 55. If you're over 40, if you're over 50, if you're closer to 60, you know none of us have perfect skin. None of us have perfect makeup. We all have age spots, dark circles. Oh my gosh, all of the things. So I said that to say I'm getting the lighting and all kind of figured out, I hope. But it might also be a little bit more accurate. So maybe it'll kind of help you feel a little bit better about yourself, that if you're watching anyone on social media, YouTube, whatever, none of us have perfect skin. None of us have perfect makeup. So we're all just doing the best we can. Today, I'm going to share with you my favorite, literally everyday eyeshadow look. It's neutral, it's natural, and you can do it just like that. If you've ever said, gosh, oh my gosh, I need a little something up here, but I'm not great at eyeshadow, you're gonna love this and you're going to be able to do this every day, I promise. For this eyeshadow look that I'm gonna create today, I'm gonna use 3 things. One of them you already have. The other is this eyeshadow palette. It's 16 colors, the whole palette, under $10. If you'd like for me to create a couple more easy eyeshadow looks using this same palette, things just to make your life easier, just to bump it up a little bit, leave me a comment and let me know. But for now, all I'm going to use out of this palette right now today is this light color right here. That is going to be my eyeshadow base. You could put it all over from eyelash to eyebrow if you wanted to, but I'm really just going to put it all over on the lid. Step 2, this is the part you already have. Take your blush. I am using the Milani Luminoso, and what I do is I apply it right here, right below my pupil, both sides, and then I take it on my brush and I put it on my brow bone. With that very basic lid and then putting your blush on your brow bone, it just gives your face a little health, vitality, a little life without being too much. The next step is, if you have been here before, you know I love the e.l.f. contour palette, and I'm going to take the highlighter on the other end of the brush that I was already using, and I'm going to do a little highlight on the inner corner of my eye, not too much, and then take that highlighter and go right under my brow, giving my brow a little bit of definition so that it all doesn't just blend right in. By and large, I'm pretty lazy when it comes to eyeshadow. I just don't want to take the time to do it. So this is the eye look that I have, that I'm wearing 95% of the time. It just doesn't take any time at all. It looks healthy. It looks natural. I love it. But there are so many more things that you can do with this eyeshadow palette that, like I said, under 10 bucks. If you'd like to see a few more easy eyeshadow looks with this palette, leave me a comment and let me know. You also got a little glimpse of how I created this eyeliner look. If you'd like to see more of that, leave me a comment and let me know. Thank you for being here today. Thank you for bearing with me, being patient with me as I figure out this new room, the lighting, all of it. Thank you for being kind and being patient and just trying to work with me as I figure it out. If you enjoyed this, I hope that you'll like this video, share it with a sweet friend. Come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Go out today and be blessed and do your best, and I will see you in the next video.